That's the sound of money. Fresh, printed money. That's the sound of money. Fresh, printed money.
Hello, what is going on? Welcome back to Finance 101. On today's episode, as we keep buying some stocks because the whole market is down, today we're going to get our feet wet by buying some Shopify. So, if you know, Shopify did a reverse spread of 10-1. So the price dropped from where it was to right now, as we can see, is $41.16 Canadian. So what I did was, I didn't have money to buy Shopify right now, but I noticed it went down and I've been keeping an eye on it. It was around 38 and it went to 41. So I decided to buy some. So what I did was, if I go to activities, I sold my one NVIDIA I have. NVIDIA is a really good company. I didn't really want to sell, but I already took profit off and I was paying with house money. And I figured just selling one NVIDIA can buy me, I think, 3 or 4 Shopify. So I might as well go for it, as Shopify is one of those tech growth companies. So that's what I did. So if I go to activities here, you can see what happened was right here. I sold NVIDIA for $186 US, and in return I was able to buy, how many shares of Shopify? Is it 3 or 4? I was able to buy 4 shares of Shopify right here, as you can see. So if you go back in and we see what is happening is, because Shopify is one of those good companies, so I end up buying it because I have one NVIDIA, and it's that I can stick with NVIDIA or I get 4 shares of Shopify. And since they did a reverse spread, it's a good chance it's going to go up in a hurry. So, like I said, NVIDIA is a great company. I didn't want to sell it, but I'm probably going to end up buying back NVIDIA later on when I have the money. It's been dropping a little bit anyway, so I might be able to catch it at a better price. So, this is what it is now. We added some Shopify to the portfolio just because it's a great company. You don't get a chance to buy Shopify at this price. And because it did a 10-1 reverse spread, so that's why the price is this low. So let's see how Shopify is going to be doing. So, like, since I got Shopify, I think Air Canada went down a little bit too. So I think I have $20. I'll probably add one more shares with that. And Apple is always doing great. So this is a quick review on how I'm on a buying streak and just buying all the great companies at a great price right now, since nobody knows when the stock market is going to be going back up. So I'm just laying down the foundation and waiting for the crazy uptrend that's about to come. We just don't know when. Bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe, share the video, and let me know in the comment section what you think about selling NVIDIA to buy Shopify. Peace.